In this tutorial we will be learning about queues. Queues are just like lanes in which the person entered first is served first and the person entered last is served last. Every new person is added at the last of the queue. We will be implementing this using C++. We will use classes for this program. In the private section we will declare an integer array to store our data. Integer front and rear will be used to keep track of our indexes. Rear will be used for any data at last and front will be tracking the data on the first. In public sign we have to make a constructor which will initialize our rear and front with 0 as there is no data now. To insert any new value in the queue we will make a function in queue which will take an integer argument. We will check if the queue is not full, so if the rear is greater than 10 then this means the rear has crossed the size of the array. So display the message queue is full. Or else we are ready to assign our value, so we will assign the value at rear. We will increment rear for next assignment. To delete anything at the front we have to use the function dequeue. If the rear is lesser than or equal to front then this means that our array is empty. So you will display the message queue is empty. Or else we will increment front which will virtually delete anything on the front. To get any element which is placed on the first in the array we will make a function getFront. This function will simply return any value at the front. For displaying the values in the queue we will have to check if the queue is not empty. So if the rear is equal to or lesser than front then this means there is no space left and our queue is empty. Or else we will use a for loop which will start from the front and it will go all the way to the rear. And it will display all our elements. In the main function we will have to make an object of our class. We will put in some data. The data should be displayed in the order 2, 6, 12, 3. This is because 2 was entered first, then 6, then 12 and then 3. If we dequeue then element at the front will be deleted so the order will be 6, 12, 3. If we dequeue the remaining elements, then it should say the queue is empty. This was all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.